At eto na nga mga repapits, mga madam sir, no? Inilabas na nga rin ang music video. Mainit-init pa. Official music video ng Room, which is kanta nga po ni Estel. Kaka-upload ko lang kanina ng lyrics video. So this time naman gagawa natin ng reaction video, yung music video nga po. So eto, bali wala nang patumpik-tumpik pa. Huwag na natin patagalin to, i-play na agad natin mga repapits. Ako gigil na rin, gustong gusto ko na rin panoorin to. Ayan, so yung Estel Room music video, let's go. Cinematic open mic. Oh, a spectacle open mic. Audition? Room. Open for audition. Okay. So mag-audition nga siya.
Clear the stage, everyone!
Si Madam, oh.
Pakikuha ng mic.
Galing, Parang cinematic talaga. Color grading. Stig. Uy, pogi.
As soon as I step forward and try
Ganda na
to
pasok.
make myself alive, I see your eyes, they good in mine. Happy all the time.
Kumindat pa si Estel. Grabe ka naman, Estel. Kinindatan mo pa si Madam. Balik na ng konti.
I see your eyes, they good
Oh,
in mine.
sabi niyo, pwede. Wala niya.
And try to make myself alive. I
Pwede.
see your eyes, they good in mine. Happy all the time. Then you tell me I can get you off my mind. My oh my. Come on, get it, Alice, stuck about it in my room.
Ay! Pinapainit yung scene. Grabe ka, ganyan ka talaga mang no? Kumbaga, syempre nag-audition siya, kailangan niyang, di ba? Kailangan niyang magpa-impress dito kay Amo, no? Kay Amo, which is yung nga po, yung pinaka-boss ng bar na to, no? Let's go.
Come on, get it, Alice, stuck about it in my room.
Natulala siya. Oh, kamindat.
Hope you're ready, cause I'm gonna invade. Listen to what I'm about to say.
Tulala sila lahat, oh.
You will find the answer. This energy that's within me might be too much to take. Damn it, it's so pretty. I see me flowing.
Oh! Pinapainit yung scene. Lumiyad pa yung leeg. Nagwewet, di ba?
Too
Pwede na
much
konti.
to take. Damn it, it's so pretty. I
Ayun, oh.
see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie.
Nagod.
Thrills
Ako.
me. I don't want an ending.
Nagbabasa-basa. Oh?
Picture perfect movie. Trembling.
Grabe,
thrills
Tio.
me. I don't want an ending. Savor every bit of it, cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but in this world there's no one living.
Nung ginawan ko ng yung lyrics video ng reaction yun, ibang-iba doon sa ina-expect ko. Ang expect ko dito talaga, sasayaw siya, which is yung, di ba, pang Michael Jackson nga, pang Bruno Mars kasi yung, di ba, sinabi ko doon, mala Michael Jackson, mala Bruno Mars siya. Di ba, ina-expect ko sasayaw siya. This time nakita natin, humahagod-hagod. Tila di ba, nangaakit. Talaga still, bayaran ng konti.
To break it to you, but in this world there's no one.
Tulala, Nakaindak,
Can you read the room?
Bumulong pa.
Can you read the room?
Di ba?
I hate to break
Di ba? Yun ang tila nagpaano sa kanya bilang nagpaano sa atin na mala Michael Jackson niya kasing di ba? Ano?
I hate to break it to you, but in this world there's no one living. I hate to break it to you, but in this world there's no one living.
Tuwan-tuwa si Amo.
And now you've tried one of a kind. So cry, but I see you smile. Might have sent you way too high. Hope you come alive.
Ooh. Ang hot ng galawan dito ni Estelle. Ang angas. Talaga.
Sent you way too high. Hope you come alive.
Oh.
Private bus and share my stars by.
Gumi. Yari na naman ng mga berries nito. Matik, nagiinit na naman. Tingnan nyo naman yung ano, oh. Tingnan nyo yung dibdib ni Estelle, oh. Si ate, oh. Nako.
Hope you come alive. Private bus and share my stars by. My, oh my. Forever about you and I. Space. We don't need that. Let time slow it. Space. Fade to black 'cause now we're face to face.
Hindi ba? Ibang-iba talaga sa inaasahan ko. Hindi ito ang inaasahan ko. Ang inaasahan ko, sasayaw siya ng mala Michael Jackson na, 'di ba? Yung gaganon-ganon siya, yung magmo-moonwalk tapos 'di ba maglalak, 'di ba? Mang ganon-ganon ba? Ibang-iba. Ang ginagawa ngayon dito ni Estelle, nagpapainit siya ng eksena. Pinaiinit niya tayo, mga Repa Peace. Let's go.
Fade to black 'cause now we're face to face. There's the only answer. This energy that's within me will never.
Si ate, yung reaction ni ate, balikan mo
There's
konti.
the only answer. This
Oh, 'di ba? Oh.
energy that's within me will never let you scare.
Oh.
It's so pretty. I see me flow in your body. Picture perfect movie. Trembling thrills me. I don't want
Pinapatakam eh, no?
an ending. Savor every bit of it 'cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but if that's
Oh, parang iba yun ah. Parang iba yung nakita ako ah.
we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you,
Oh.
but
Parang may tinignan sa baba, di ba? Balikan mo.
'cause we're not in a hurry. I hate to break it to you, but if that's wrong, there's no one left.
Pawis na pawis eh.
Dance.
Dance. Ayan o. Ooh. Etong part na to talaga sinabi ko dun sa reaction video ko sa lyrics video niya. Ano, yung dance, dasayaw siya talaga ng mga wala. Hindi naganap yung aking inaasahan. Mali pala ako. Let's go. Yun. Puro giling yung ginagawa ni Stella. Oh! Uy, ang galing nun. Woo!
Baby, don't you worry, as long as you're here with me.
Cut. Lapit na eh. Lapit na oh.
Your sanctuary, if you only let me orchestrate this story, we won't have to leave this room, 'cause I'm your everything.
Yan, yan.
Can you read the room?
Okay pahiya. Sumayo ka lang mala Michael Jackson.
Read the room. Can you?
Ow!
I hate to break it to you, but in this room there's no one left.
Ay, sinara. Ay! Sarado na yung room. Ala, eto. Alright, so Estelle Room music video. Ayan, suwabe like natin yung pinaka-video. Ang init ng eksena, repapis natin, no? Mga madam, sir, no? Ang init ng eksena ng ginawa ni Estelle dito. Ina-expect ko puro sayaw, puro ano, di ba? Yung mala Michael Jackson na galaw. Putik na to, iba yung inaasahan ko. Nagpainit ng scene si Estelle dito. Ayan, so kung gusto mong panoorin dito ng dire-diretso walang cut, pumunta ka ng description sa baba, i-click mo yung link dyan para direkta makapunta ka sa video na to. Mapanood mo ng walang cut, this time kasi reaction video kaya kinat-cut po natin to. Okay, so kung gusto mo rin yung ganitong klaseng content, syempre i-like mo na yan. subscribe na rin yung channel ko kung bago ka pa lang. Click notification bell para ma-update kita kada may lalabas po akong gantong klaseng reaction video. Hanggang sa muli, marami pong salamat. It's Dogs TV. Peace and I'm out. Yeah.